Hello everyone, my dear, near and far away friends. Welcome to our new channel, The Learning Web. Friends, who has not felt curious while looking deep into the endless sky, lit with infinite stars on a clear night? Who has not questioned why the stars twinkle or why the moon move up and down? All these are the questions related to the universe, and in today's session we will be dealing with the astronomy, the science of universe. Astronomy is the science that enables us to explain everything that we observe in the universe, from the birth of bright stars to the death and explosion of supernovas. By studying astronomy, we can understand the phenomena which were unanswered and made us curious in our childhood. So friends, in today's video, we will discuss about the topic astronomy in this small video. So, the topic is astronomy, the science of universe. And this video is presented by your friend Adarsh Nayak. First of all, I would like to describe the objective of this video. Here, we will get to know what is astronomy. Then, we will discuss about the importance of astronomy. Then, history of astronomy. Then, the branches and career in astronomy. And at last, we will discuss the conclusion part. So, let's get started. The first basic question which arises is, what is astronomy? Astronomy comes from the combination of two Greek words, astros meaning stars and omos meaning arranging. Astronomy is a branch of natural science that studies the outer space and phenomena related to them. The planets, the moons, the stars, the sun, galaxies, the universe, all of these fall under the study of astronomy. Astronomy uses mathematics, physics and chemistry in order to explain the origin and evolution of different celestial objects and related phenomena. A person who studies astronomy as a subject is known as an astronomer. Here, we must note that cosmology is a branch of astronomy that studies the universe as a whole. So, cosmology is a little bit different from astronomy. Now, why astronomy is important in our daily life, in our life? Astronomy has a huge impact in our life. It explains and solves many phenomena of outer space that has helped our curious mind to collect more data about the universe and our surrounding. Supernova explosions, gamma ray bursts, quasars, blazars, pulsars, cosmic microwave background radiation, and many phenomena are today being understood only because of development in astronomy. Apart from this, astronomy is today used for following purposes: for giving detailed, practical and mathematical explanation about different phenomena happening in outer space, for prediction of many natural phenomena including solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, meteorite shower, asteroid attack and many more, for safeguarding human race from impacts of outer space, in search of new planets like Earth where human life can settle and exist, in search of extraterrestrial life, and many more areas of interest. Now, we will discuss about the history of astronomy. Astronomy, as we know, is one of the oldest sciences of the world, which traces from the religious, mythological, cosmological, calendrical and astrological beliefs and practices of the prehistory. The Greeks, the Indians and the Egyptians were the first to study astronomy. The earliest astronomy was based on observations of heavenly bodies and other recurring phenomena of outer space. They were not much advanced and were mainly used to predict the solar and lunar eclipse and other phenomena. Then, astronomy in the medieval period. In the medieval period, the astronomy was developed towards the 15th century, starting with the Copernican revolution in 1543. Then Kepler's law by Johannes Kepler in 1609. Then with the invention of astronomical telescope by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Then by discovery of gravitation by Isaac Newton, and many more discoveries from numerous scientists. Modern astronomy. The modern astronomy, with advanced telescopes, satellites, and machinery, is able to observe the vast universe from different astronomical observatories located on our Earth. Nowadays, it has focused itself on the discovery of electromagnetic waves, light rays, birth and death of stars, black holes, galaxies, and many more topics. Now, I would like to talk about the types of astronomy. There are various types of astronomy, but the modern astronomy is classified into following two types on the basis of their type and area of work. The first one is observational astronomy, which focuses on the direct study of different celestial bodies and phenomena through regular observations from an observatory or lab. The second one is the theoretical astronomy, which focuses on modeling and giving detailed and mathematical explanation of evolution of different celestial bodies and phenomena related to them. Now, the different branches of astronomy. Astronomy has many branches with different area and field of observation and knowledge. Some are listed below: astrophysics, astrochemistry, astrobiology, cosmology, extragalactic astronomy, galactic astronomy, stellar astronomy, solar astronomy, planetary astronomy, and many more are different branches of astronomy. Now, I will discuss about the careers in astronomy. Astronomy is a good career for people loving science and astronomy. An astronomer basically observes and records information about various phenomena related to the outer space. Apart from this, they theoretically predicts and give detailed mathematical information about these phenomena. An astronomer must have knowledge on a wide range of fields, including physics, maths, chemistry, and have a good problem-solving ability and critical thinking. Apart from this, they should have curiosity and creativity to have a good hold on astronomy as a profession. Nowadays, astronomers are paid well enough and are in great demand in today's world. They have a salary ranging from $90,500 to $180,500 annually. Now, I would like to discuss about some of the greatest astronomers our world has produced. Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Acharya Aryabhatta, S.M. Chandrasekhar. So at last, we have arrived at the conclusion part. At last, we can conclude that from this video, astronomy, being one of the oldest science of world, has revolutionized the world and helped our curious mind to know and collect more information and knowledge about the universe and the various celestial bodies in it. It is one of the first developing science with increasing demand in this modern world. So I hope astronomy and human race go hand in hand, and the knowledge we gain in astronomy can be used for our welfare and progress. So friends, I hope you liked the video and the main aim of sharing data was done well. Please like, subscribe share and comment and be updated with our new videos. Thank you and see you again.